You ready?
Hi, Danny.
Hi, Mom.
I see your sister. Yeah, you want to get up there? And see? You're a big sister.
Look.
Isn't she pretty?
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, cute. You know you can give her a kiss. Touch her little hand.
Touch her.
Very careful. Don't touch the top of her head, okay?
She's got a lot of hair.
It's here. Why
Yes.
here?
Danny didn't, did she?
Nope, Dan came out bald.
Oh, I know. I remember.
It has come out.
Yeah, she came on my belly.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Ow, don't touch her, baby.
I love you.
There goes you. I miss you.
Hey, his bottle.
Yep. You happy to see her? Look, she's opening her eyes.
It's me.
She looks like her daddy. Look like your daddy.
I
None of my kids look like me.
I feel like I don't know how that would be possible.